Hey all, this is Suchita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a healthy, filling and nutrient dense oats breakfast smoothies which will help you feel fuller till your next meal. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, make sure you click the red button and subscribe so that you will get notified when I upload new videos. So the first smoothie is strawberry banana oat smoothie. Oat smoothies are healthy, tasty, fiber-rich with richness of fruits and nuts. So in a blender, I took 1 cup of low-fat milk. We can have a variety of oat smoothies with many combinations of fruits and nuts. And if you are looking to make breakfast smoothies for weight loss, add extra servings of fruits and veggies to your diet. Here I am adding 4 to 5 frozen strawberries. Then I add 1 frozen banana. Whenever I have ripe bananas, I cut them into pieces and freeze them in a Ziploc bag. They make any smoothie thick, naturally sweet and creamy. Then I add 4 tablespoons of roasted instant oats. Reason for roasting the oats is it will reduce the citric acid content in oats, or you can soak the oats overnight and use it. You can use any kind of oats you have on hand. Instant oats contain citric acid which can cause trouble to some people. So to balance that acid you need to use curd or yogurt. So in this recipe I use 4 tablespoons of low-fat yogurt. Oats are rich in fiber and it makes smoothies satisfyingly thick and ultra filling. Then I add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Raw honey is a good source of antioxidants and amino acids. It contains specific nutrients that can make it a healthful addition to the diet. Blend it nicely and now it is ready to serve. I topped with half a tablespoon of chia seed, half a tablespoon of roasted oat and some strawberry chunks. So guys, enjoy this quick, easy, wonderful and healthy smoothie in breakfast. The second smoothie is banana oat smoothie. As compared to other ways of preparing oats dishes, oat smoothies are very easy, healthy, tasty and fills our tummy. So to start with, I took 1 cup of water in a blender. Then I add 2 small frozen bananas. After that I add 3 tablespoons of roasted instant oats. If you don't have any frozen bananas, you can use fresh bananas and add few ice cubes to thicken it up. Add half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Then add 2 to 3 majul dates for sweetener. Blend it and pour it in a serving glass. Look at it, this smoothie is so thick and creamy. This smoothie is dairy free and vegan with 0 refined sugar. I topped with half a tablespoon of chia seeds and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps to lose visceral fat and supports weight loss. Start your mornings with these creamy oat smoothies that is healthy, delicious and quick to make. So guys, when it comes to achieving a healthy weight, it is important to understand that the journey to better health begins from a healthy diet and there is no quick fix for the same. Ultimately, it is essential to start working out and eat clean if you are on a quest to lose weight.